So what you can also do is you can go ahead and use AI to generate an entire video project as well. So if your company has the plan with AI, then in Google Vids, what you can do is you can go ahead right here and click on the plus button right here. So once you do that, here you can see that plan your video story is an option. So all you need to do is click right here, and then here you can go ahead and describe out the video as you want. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say for example, I'm going to say generate a video on benefits of traveling on health of families. Let's say for example right here, I can go ahead and click on next, and then it'll go ahead and generate out a family for me. So there's an introduction, as you can see, there's traveling as family and so forth, mental health benefits and so forth. And you can see that it arranged out everything right here. You can go ahead and add a scene right here and add a topic right here, or delete it out as you want as well, just like this, or even go ahead and generate it again if you don't like it. So this is what you have, as you can see. So I have an outline. So now all I need to do is click on next and then choose a design that I want. So there are different templates, as you can see, that I can choose from. So I can go ahead and choose the one I like. So I'm just going to go ahead and, let's say for example, choose this one right here. And then you can see that you see the template of this particular design, and then you can click on create a draft video. So now what happens is that it'll go ahead and take that particular outline and will generate out each and every scene for you. So you just need to go ahead and wait for a while. And then you can see that the scene is generated. So now you can go ahead and make changes to the project as you wish. But let's just go ahead and see it also generated out the voiceover and added in background music to this as well. So if I were to press the play button right here, it's loading.
Family travel offers incredible benefits for everyone involved. In this video, we'll explore the various ways it positively impacts the mental, physical, and developmental health of your family. Are you looking for ways to boost your family's overall well-being? Look no further than the magic of family travel. It's more than just a vacation. It's an investment in your family's health and happiness. Traveling as a family creates a unique environment for growth and connection.
And you can see that there's the voiceover and there's the background music and everything else, as you can see right here. So now you can simply go ahead onto each and every scene and then make the changes as you wish right here. So let's say for example, you can want to change the location of the text. You want to go ahead and change the font right here, just like this. You can go ahead and make the changes. Change around the video location right here, just like this, and so forth. So you have an overall outline, as you can see, for your project just by writing out a prompt, and that is possible through Google Vids. So that is how you can go ahead and generate out an entire video project using AI in Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.